good morning or good afternoon, whichever is applicable, okay, to all of you. I want today to start capturing some of the questions that come in exam. So this is a student problem solving session. I'm trying to make you put what you have learned into real exam situation. So I have written a question here. A marble of mass 50 grams attached to a light inextensible string of length 0.8 meters is rotated in a vertical plane. The string cannot bear more than 2 Newton. Okay? It cannot bear more than 2 Newton. It cannot bear more than 2 Newton. That language tells you maximum tension. Start to connect the language we used when teaching and exam. It cannot bear more than. That means that is a maximum tension. Determine the velocity at which the string would break. At what velocity is the string likely to break? So the interpretation here is the string can break only at T maximum. Remember, we did maximum tension and minimum. So this string can only break at maximum tension. When do we have maximum tension? At the bottom. When the bob or when the mass is passing the lowest point, okay? At the lowest point, we say centripetal force is equal to mg, tension minus mg. So that minus mg is taken to the left-hand side to add to centripetal force. And that addition to centripetal force is what we term as maximum tension. So the interpretation of the question must relate to a lesson you are taught. We were taught this. So I come here, I write formula for maximum tension is mv squared over r plus mg. Okay? Then what you need to do is to sort out. You need to sort out quantities. Sort out quantities. So what do I mean by that? I say T max is equal to 2 newtons. What else are we given? The length of the string becomes the radius. So I have R is equal to 0.8 meters. That is what I call sorting. Be it in linear motion or circular motion, you must sort. Then it is those quantities will give you the formula to be used. So R is equal to 0.8. Then M is equal to 50 times 10 to the power negative 3. Why? Can you guess why? Do you know why? Yes. Because it has to be in SI. There. Now, I come and put in the formula. The question has already reminded you that the string cannot bear more than 2. The language in class which was taught is maximum. If he gives you maximum directly, you are very lucky. But if he doesn't, you must be able to analyze. So this is where it tests also comprehension. There is analysis. Then there is synthesis. You synthesize. You knock out other factors. Then you remain with this must be at the bottom. Then we write and substitute. So the knowledge, substitute. Maximum tension is 2. Mass, I've changed in mass in kg by division of 1,000. V is what we are looking for. Radius I'm given. Mass is here. Gravity is 10. So what do we do here now? We have, if I may mark that, we have the knowledge right. Then we have the correct substitution. We compute. This thing can be reduced. You have a calculator. This can be done offhand. These are 2 zeros. So this, and that. That is 500 divided by 1,000 is 0.5. Then this one you can use calculator. You get this. So this is computation. Trying to simplify. Okay? Can we focus down a bit? Yes. Let me focus up to there. I think it can be done. Let me see. Yes. We focus there. So what are we doing? This 0.5 comes this side. We subtract. I maintain this part. Okay? I maintain this part. So what this gives me 1.5 is equal to 0.02625 v squared. Then v is equal to square root of 1.5 divided by 0.0265. This simplifies to 24. Square root of 24. If the answer I give in 4 figures, it will be this. But in physics, 3 figures is acceptable. So 3 figures from up here gives us 2.90. Then we say meter per second. So let us see. You can score there. Score there. So what am I saying? This question can be done in a way to give you marks. How do you get marks? Number 1, quote the knowledge, precise knowledge. That could entail even a formula. Number 2, correct substitution. If there are conversions, do them out. Do them out on the side. That is number 2, substitution. Number 3, computation. See if you can divide or square or add or subtract correctly. Then give the answer with correct units. That makes your life very simple in physics. As I told you, this is paper 1, motion, be it linear or circular. In this topic, the goodness, there are many questions. Many formulae, many formulas. So where you see many formulas, what they tend to test are skills in knowledge, substitution, computation, answer with the correct units. The formulas are easy to quote when you sort. What is sorting? Write a quantity under the figure given. Like now, T maximum is equal to, I'm sorting. There are quantities which are basically letters. They are letters that you will have to write with the figure given. That process is what I call sorting. Any question that asks you about calculate, basically you have to do sorting. So what you need to do, young man and young lady, see how you can get a question and apply the knowledge. The question will be direct. I can promise you, they will be direct. Challenge SI unit. Keep on subscribing. There is more. This is SPSS1. So we'll have to do like 3 more for people to know how to relate the language in the question and what was taught. Till then, subscribe, tell your friend good stuff. Bye bye.